Today we are going to review the video events within VideoProtects. We need to first make sure that you are logged into your GeoTab site. VideoProtects will be on the menu on the left. Click on VideoProtects and then Video Events. The first thing we are going to look at is the blue line at the top. We can expand this out to see more details about what video events you have. This information can change when we use the filters below. You can pick as many as you need to narrow down what events you're looking at. These filters include individual drivers, vehicles, event status, and a range of dates. The event status filters will default to leave completed and dismissed off of the list. We're going to choose to filter our date range to the last 7 days. We can also filter by flagged events if that's what we need. For this purpose of this demonstration, we are not going to use any of the other filters besides dates. We are first going to take a look at the features that we can see while in tile view. Let's take a look at a new event. We can actually watch, score, flag, and download the file just from this tile. If we wanted to take a closer look, we can click on the square icon in the corner of the thumbnail of the event. This will take us to a much larger and more detailed view of the event. With this driver, we have 3 camera angles, which can be played all at once by clicking on Play All in the upper left. We also have the opportunity to correct any information captured by the device, including the driver. If this was a different driver, we can click on the pencil icon to change that information. Fortunately, we don't need to change that information as it is correct. Like before, we can also flag the video and select our score. The scoring range starts at D, which means we can dismiss the event if the event captured is not something you need to worry about. In reality, this video event is likely dismissible, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we are going to rate it differently. A score of A+ means it was a positive event. For example, he did take a harsh corner, but it was to avoid an accident. If it is not positive, we can rate it 1 to 4, with 4 likely being a collision or something similar. We're going to give this one a 2. If we wanted to review this with the driver, we can send him a text message or email. You will get a confirmation message showing that the message has been sent. This will let the driver know that they have an event that they need to review. The email that they will receive will look something like this. The driver needs to click on the link where they will be able to watch the video and any other angles of the event by clicking Next. The driver can accept this as what it was, or they can choose to discuss, where they can send a message to the fleet manager. If the driver chooses to discuss, there will be a driver disputed tag on the tile view, which is indicated in red. In the expanded view of this video event, we can also see the speed at which the event occurred, as well as the location. We are also able to enter a comment about the event, see any driver comments, and see a history of changes made within the Court Reporter tab. The entire Court Reporter can be downloaded if this record is needed to be kept for some reason. We can close out this video by heading to the Action Taken drop-down menu, where we can select a number of different solutions. We will be selecting Reviewed with Driver, and then tap Complete. We will get a success message. This video will no longer be part of the tile view we have set up since the video is completed. Another view in the video event screen is the line view, which is over in the corner. It defaults to the tile view, however, if you'd like to switch to line view, you can see that this view lists each event on their own line. The list can be sorted by a number of qualifiers, alphabetically, by event type, status of the event, and driver. In this view, we can still score, flag, and download the videos for each event that needs review. If you click on the event, it will bring us to the more detailed view of the specific event. If you have any questions about this process, please head over to support.jjkeller.com or call 833-933-0971, where our support team will be happy to help.